Welcome back. Today we are tackling the problem, add two numbers to. This is a common coding interview question that tests your understanding of linked lists and data structure manipulation. It is often classified as a medium difficulty problem. Let's look at the problem. We are given two linked lists. Each node in the list contains a single digit. These lists represent two non-negative integers. The catch here is that the most significant digit comes first, at the head of the list. We need to add these two numbers and return the result as a new linked list. Why is this variation trickier than the standard addition problem? In standard addition, we start from the right, adding the ones column, then the tens, and so on. However, a singly linked list only lets us traverse from left to right. This creates a conflict between the direction of our data structure and the direction of the mathematical operation. There are two main ways to solve this. One way is to reverse both input lists, add them like normal, and then reverse the result. However, modifying the input data is often frowned upon in software design. A better, cleaner approach is to use stacks. This allows us to process the data in the order we need without changing the original lists. Remember that a stack is a last-in, first-out data structure. If we push every node of a linked list onto a stack, the last node we push, which is the least significant digit, will be the first one we pop off. This perfectly reverses the access order for us. Once our stacks are filled, we enter a loop. We pop the top number from each stack. In this example, we pop 3 and 4. We add them together to get 7. Since 7 is a single digit, our carry is 0. Let's see what happens when numbers add up to 10 or more. Here, we add 4 and 6 to get 10. We cannot store 10 in a single node, so we keep the 0 digit for the current node, and we set the carry to 1. This carry will be added to the next sum in the next iteration. As we calculate each digit of the sum, we need to build our result list. Since we are calculating from the end of the number towards the front, we insert each new node at the head of our result list. This ensures the final list is in the correct order, most significant digit first. Let's discuss efficiency. The time complexity is big O of m plus n, where m and n are the lengths of the two lists. We iterate through each list once. The space complexity is also big O of m plus n because we store all the elements in our stacks. To wrap up, using stacks is a powerful technique when you need to process a linked list in reverse order without modifying it. Just remember to handle your carry logic correctly and build your result list by always inserting at the head. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.